Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic of computer is the generations of computer. There are total 5 generations of computer. They were named as first, second, third, fourth and fifth generations of the computers. So in this section we will discuss about only the first generation of computer system. In first generation of computer system, the time period starts from 1942 till 1955. The technology that is used in the first generation were named as vacuum tubes. Vacuum tubes are made up of the small tubes, or they are basically electronic tubes about the size of the light bulbs. Thousands of them were connected to make up a large circuits. So after that, then when they will become the large circuits, we can use it for the many other calculations. For data storage, magnetic drums were used, or magnetic tapes were also used. Vacuum tubes were used because it tells about the binary digits 0 and 1. The 0 and 1 stands for on and off respectively. So basically computer only understand machine language. So this is based on the binary digits zeros and 1. They in first generations of computer, these zeros and 1 was used or was operated by the common person. The main disadvantage is its size. It is used for the special purposes. So many of the vacuum tubes were connected and they were basically filled up a large room. It consumes a lot of heat as due to heat consumption computer will turn off for few days. As vacuum tubes work as a bulb, so it operates on zeros and ones, so many of the heat energy will be involved in setting up of the vacuum tubes. Another disadvantage is that it is relied on the machine languages, as machine language is very difficult to be operated by the single person. But in first generations of computer system, we will use only the vacuum tubes, or these vacuum tubes were basically operated on zeros and one, and these zeros and one were also operated by human beings. So it is very difficult to be operated by humans because it is very difficult to understand machine language. The computers that were used in the first generations were electronic, numeric, integrated and calculated. They were basically named as ENIAC. The main disadvantages of these computers were that if we have to use this computer for any other calculation or for any other work, then we have to set it from the start or from the initial stage, and for its setup approximately 2 to 3 days will be required for its refreshment. So today's computers, we will see that we can do all that at the same time. And these computers contain multi-user operating system. But first generations of computers were used or were operate on the single user operating system. So here we will discuss about the first generations of the computer system, as it is very difficult to operate or program because we will use machine and assembly languages in these generations. So in the next video, we'll discuss about the second generation of the computer system. Thank you.